The Coast B&B uses images on their site to create a warm and inviting space for their visitors. Because without pictures, guests might not know that this bed comes with a canopy. And we all know that canopy beds are the coolest. How'd they do that? The most common way to add images to your site is the image element. Drag it to your page. Then click on the element to open the Upload dialog box. Here you can upload an image from your own computer by dragging one into the window or clicking the green button and selecting the file. You can also search for free or professional photos. The size of a picture will vary after upload, but it may be a different size than you'd like, and will often be as wide as the entire site. You can alter the size a few ways. To resize it, hover over the image, and a blue box in the lower right corner will appear, which you can click and drag to adjust the image's size. If you put the image element beside another element to create columns, the image will automatically fit the width of that column. You can also pick up the image and insert it into a text element itself, so your text will wrap around the image. Note that you can only do this once per text element. So if you want more than one image within your text, just split up your text into multiple elements. Clicking on the photo also opens up a settings dialog box that you can use to make further changes. Turning Lightbox on will allow visitors to see it larger when clicked. Turn your image into a link. Adjust alignment and spacing around your image. Add a caption. Adjust the border and add alt tags to your picture. And the Edit Image button will open a simple image editor where you can add basic effects, rotate, or crop your image. Save your changes or cancel to revert back to your original. And that's how you do that.